So, I'm up early in the morning. It is raining. This is Saturday morning. I'm still busted. I'm still absolutely wrecked. We've done really well on our eBay. Our Amazon is picking up massively. And, well, there's always room for more. So, Saturday morning, here I am. Car full of stock. I mean full of stock. Cookie's in the corner. Aren't you, Cookie? And me and Cookie are going to try and see if we can push another £300 out of the week. Maybe I'll go to Dundrum in the morning and see how I get on. Yes, I'm exhausted, but you know what? It's fun making money. And it's fun doing well. And nice having a bit of money in your pocket for your hard work and your efforts. Yes, sometimes you get punished by the taxman. This is a story of a life of someone who sells out a car boot. I am not that person. I'm doing this, and I have been doing it for a trial. I wanted to see what it was like. I've never done car booting before, but I enjoy it. I enjoy the trade. I love it. I love it. I love the idea of making, 20, 30 quid and, getting a bag of chips on the way home. Or an Ulster fry. If any of you guys don't know what an Ulster fry is, then come to good old Northern Ireland. It's a great country for the Ulster fry. Can't get it anywhere in the world. And if you can, it's shite, unless it's from Ulster. Anyway, listen guys, I will love you and leave you, and I'll talk to you very soon once I've set up my stall. Ding! Rain, rain, rain everywhere. It's pissing. And everyone's standing waiting. Oh, what a loony. I'll take £2.50 for them.
How much?
There, fiver.
Okay.
The crimpets. Normally 20 quid online.
Yeah.
Bargain, guys. It's a bargain. That is a really old classic clock, but I want 20 quid for it before I sell it on eBay. Thank you. Great job. Thank you very much. Got all the blades and everything in it. Right, sir. Thank you. Yep. Have some firewood for this here.
There you are.
Thank you, darling. What's that? Yeah.
Do you just put them in the microwave?
No, you could put them in the microwave, or you could put them in the grill as well.
Right.
They make sandwiches when you get it.
Thank you.
You'll thank me for it. They're a good job.
Okay.
We can no longer sell them on eBay. So that was a good one.
Yes.
So they're all a quid in that box, all a £1.
Yeah, give me those two, chap. They're out of that box.
Okay, so £7. You taking that wee oil as well? Alright, so that's £8. Thank you. No worries. No worries.
Ryan, put it back, please.
What a day so far. I think I've probably done about 200-300 quid's worth of sales. It's been really, really busy. I'm going to probably start packing up soon, but it's been good, even though the rain has come and I was absolutely shitting myself about doing it in the rain, but it's worked. And again, I'm knackered. As you can see, I haven't shaved, I haven't showered. I got up this morning out of the blue and just headed on down. Thanks a lot. All the best. Sales pretty good. Been busy and quite a good effective, but there it is. So I'll give you an update of what I've made. Literally, I think we're only so much into this game. I think I'm 2 hours in this, and there's still people coming and going. So hopefully I'll make a couple of £100 more. We'll see. All right. Cookie, say hello, Baba. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. You're a good girl, yes you are. You're not camera shy, are you? Huh? Hey, my baby, you're not camera shy? No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not camera shy, are you, darling? Yep. Say hello to the camera. Good girl. Right, so I have finished the sale. I'm starting to pack up now. It's been a great day of sales. I'm probably going to go get myself a nice big Ulster fry. I'm just packing up the base now, and yeah, it's been a very productive day. What I have done is I've noticed that I got robbed. Someone stole the air up thing. It is no longer here, and I know I never sold it. I was looking at it 1 minute and I looked back and it was gone. So I don't know who stole it, but it's no longer there. So, and I got shouted at for someone pretending that he gave me money, and he said that he gave me a tenner when he bloody well didn't. And I said, look, take the stock for free. I didn't want it, didn't care. I wasn't going to be shouted at by this Ukrainian or whatever he is, but he wasn't happy with the fact that he didn't pay me money. So I'm busy packing up here. I'm a little bit pissed about it, to be honest with you, because that wasn't very nice. It wasn't nice at all to have, you know, but you know the system. The system is you pretend you paid me money and get angry about it. And you know there's bullshit. But I just thought, life's too short to have that nonsense being threatened at you, shouted at you. There was a guy walked away from a sale of this. Look at this. That there is an original antique 1980s clock. I will be putting that up for sale on eBay for about 100 quid. And the guy walked away for a sale of 35 quid. And I said, I'd meet him in the middle, £32.50. And he went, no, too dear. Some people just don't know a bargain when they see it, I can tell you that for sure. But overall, I reckon I'm probably up about £400 or £500 today. It was a good day's sales, but the abuse that you get from people, that wasn't nice. Being shouted at for simply having a station. I mean, it was, I don't know, just a little bit pissed about it. But anyway, I'll not let it worry me. I'll go and get myself an Ulster fry and know that I've made another £400 or £500 for literally a couple of hours work. So again, guys, if you want to make cash, you want to make a bit of money for yourself, car boot sales can be it. Just remember, abuse can be given. You just have to be big enough to take it sometimes and understand that that's the way it is. So I'm going to say goodbye to Cookie. Say goodbye, Cookie. Goodbye, Cookie. Say bye-bye. Camera shy. Anyway, so I'm back in the studio and I'm going to upload this video right now. And I've done a count of the money that I've made today. So I was up at 7, down at 7:45, packing at 8, selling at 8:30,
And so I was robbed. I lost a water bottle was stolen, and I had a guy pretending that he gave me money when he bloody well didn't. He fought the bit out, and I said, "Take the stuff, take it. It's yours. It's worth more for you than it is for me." So I lost that stock. I just gave it to him, and he walked away happily, knowing that he didn't have to pay for it. And I got robbed. Now, isn't that funny? I know who robbed me. I seen who did it, but I couldn't share it. I should have spoke to the security people. But anyway, there is the money that I have made from today's sales. That will go into the coffers of the company. So cash is what it is. And that is what I've made today for Simply. I finished at 11 o'clock. And that is what I've made minus the losses. So I paid £10 in, no, £5 in because it was raining. And I paid, the stock itself was all sort of dead stock that we just wouldn't be selling on eBay anymore. Most of it, like knives, we can't sell them. Scissors, we can't sell them. Razor blades, we can't sell them. So I sold them all in the market. And I made £560 today, which is great for the company coffers. If I did that every week for the next year, which it wouldn't be because it's weather dependent, but if I even done it for 20 weeks, that would be a phenomenal amount of money. 20 weeks at 500 quid is 10 grand. So there it is. 20 weeks of hard work, 2 to 3 hours every Saturday morning. You can make 10 grand in cash. That's me. Please, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe. But thanks for watching my video on car booting again. This will probably be the last video that I'll do on this, because I feel now I've proven my point. If you want to make revenue like that for a couple of hours work on a Saturday morning, go buy some stock from an auction, sell it in the car boot, and that's all to be said about it. And people buy everything at a quid, and you can make a lot of money from that. So thanks for watching. Cheers.